Hi, in this video we are going to continue WordPress installation. And this is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. So in the last video we have created a subdomain and obviously it's empty. We have shown that. So right now we are going to install the WordPress software in that location. Okay. WordPress is actually a software package written in PHP running on top of MySQL database. So the main programming language for WordPress is PHP, and the database is MySQL. Okay, so let's go back to our control panel here. Most web hosting provides some kind of installation software. So BuyHost actually gives a software called Softaculous, which is an installation software for script installation. So let's click on Softaculous. Okay, it takes a while to load. And as you can see, you can use Softaculous to install a lot of software applications. For example, Drupal, which is similar to WordPress. So we are only going to install WordPress. Okay, so we go to WordPress and say we want to install, and this is the latest version of WordPress you want to install. We choose protocol. Okay, that's standard. Choose the domain. I do not want to install on my main subdomain, Richard R. I want to install it on Richard R Lab 1. So I change my domain to Richard R Lab 1. I do not want to have a subfolder. Okay, I want to install it into the root directory. Okay, not subdirectory. So I will remove this. So make sure you remember that you remove this. Okay, this one remain the same. Site name. Okay, my objective is to create a T website. So I'm going to change the site name to Panda Tea House, and site description is Tea Kingdom. Okay. Admin username is admin. Admin password is, I'm not going to use pass. So you need to decide what admin password you want to key in. Okay. And I'm not going to show you my admin password here, so I'm going to type it first. Okay, and admin email, you can just leave it, or you can it's good to use email that is actually working, so I'm going to use. So if you receive notifications about the WordPress site, they will go to that email. English, do you want to have limited login attempt? I don't want that. Do you want a theme? I do not want to select a theme, so do not select this, and then you press install. So keep your finger crossed. Okay, so it's successful. Okay, so I want to save this information, and in my CTemp that folder, I'm going to copy this. So this is the WordPress installed, and this is the admin URL. You need these two things. So I'm going to paste it here. So I have installed a WordPress site at this place, and admin URL is this. So I need this two pieces of information. And remember, you have an admin and password. I'm not going to tell you my password, so you can type in your own password. That's fine. Save this. So let's see what we have done. If you click on this, which is basically the URL that we were talking about. So if you click on that, you will have a WordPress site already created for you at Richard Lab 1. The title is Panda Tea House. The site description is Tea Kingdom, and there's a dummy post already done for you. Okay, and if you go to the admin, so remember just now we say that this is empty, so if you reload, you'll realize you are looking at the same site. Let me close that. Of course, your main subdomain is not affected at all because you are just working on the subdomain you have just created. And if you go to the administrative URL, you will see a challenge here to challenge if you are human. So you need to check username is PMJAI, password is 42 times 44 plus 8 is 52. So that means you're human. Then you see the username for the WordPress site. So the username is admin, the password is what you just type in. So you are into the dashboard of the WordPress. So by using Softaculous, you have installed WordPress. Okay, isn't that cool? Okay, so in the next video, we are going to look at how we check the installations. So meanwhile, I'm going to close this, or I can log out. Let me log out and close. I'm going to close this. I'm going to leave this on. So the next video, I'm going to talk about what is actually installed. Thanks for watching.